Hello students, welcome to my channel Knowledge Nudge. Today we are studying chapter 11 of class 7th DAV Science Electric Charges at Rest Back Exercise. A. Fill in the blanks. First, there are two types of charges in nature. Second, like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. Third, the materials that normally do not get charged on rubbing and allow electric current to follow through them with ease are known as conductors. Fourth, lightning and thunder occur together. Fifth, the scientist who proved that lightning is electrical in nature was Benjamin Franklin. B. Write true or false for the following statements. First, the charges acquired by a glass rod and the silk cloth with which it is rubbed are equal and of the same sign. False. Second, during charging by conduction, the charged object shares its charge with the uncharged object. True. Third, a charged body loses its charge if we touch it with our hand. Third, true. Fourth, lightning is a natural electrical discharge phenomenon. True. Fifth, we do not need any special device to protect tall buildings from lightning. False. C. Tick the correct option. Answer first, move away from comb. B. Second, B. Third, either attract or repel each other. Fourth, only the earth that shares its charges with the object to be charged. Fifth, decreases in the first case but remains unchanged in the second case. Sixth, either between two opposite charged clouds or between a charged cloud and the ground. D. Answer the following questions in brief. First, a glass rod is rubbed against a silk cloth. Which object gets charged in this process? Answer. When a glass rod is rubbed against a silk cloth, then both the objects get charged. Glass rod becomes positive charge and silk cloth becomes negative charge. Second, name two objects A that can be charged by rubbing, B that do not get charged on rubbing. Answer. A. Two objects that can be charged by rubbing are balloons and plastic scale. B. Two objects that do not get charged on rubbing are iron nail and steel spoons. Third, state the main difference between a conductor and an insulator. Answer. The main difference between a conductor and an insulator are conductor substances which allow electric charges to pass through them are called conductors. Insulators, substances which do not allow electric charge to pass through them are called insulators. Fourth, name the device used for protecting tall buildings from lightning strikes. Answer, lightning conductor. Fifth, give the meaning of the term earthing. Answer, the process of transfer of charge to the earth. Sixth, list down two precautions that a person can take if he is caught outside in the opening during a lightning strike. Answer, two precautions that a person can take if he is caught outside in the opening during lightning strikes are as follows. First, the person should go to safe place immediately like a house or a building. Second, the person should go inside a car or a bus provided the windows and doors are shut. E. Answer the following questions. A. First, a charged drinking or plastic straw is bought near another suspended plastic straw that is A. Similarly charged, B. Uncharged. Explain what we would observe in each case and why. Answer. First, A. Repulsion because like charges repel each other. B. Attraction because a charged object attracts another unchanged object. Second, why do we say that charges are always produced in pairs? Answer, we say that charges are always produced in pairs because when two objects are rubbed against each other, they both get charged up with equal and opposite amounts of charges. 3. Describe a simple experiment to show that the total charge on a pair of objects that have been rubbed together is zero. Answer, activity. When we rub ebonite rod against flannel, both get charged up. If we brought these two charged objects simultaneously near pieces of paper, the combination does not attract them. Hence, we conclude that the total charge on a pair of objects that have been rubbed together is zero. Fourth, why does a charged object lose its charge when touched? Answer, a charged object loses its charge when touched because when we touch a charged object, the extra charges present on the object get shared with the earth through our body. Fifth, can we say that a charged object attracts an uncharged object by first charging it through induction? Explain your answer. Answer. No. When we bring a charged object near an unchanged object, the two kinds of charges already present in the uncharged object get separated out and opposite kind of charges tend to move towards charged object, hence unchanged object gets attracted. Sixth, state the sign of the charge acquired by an object when it is charged by a positively charged rod through A. Conduction, B. Induction. Give reasons for your statement. A. Answer A. Positive charge. Reason the charge on the original charge object gets shared between the two objects. B. Negative charge. Reason when we bring a charged object near an unchanged one, the negative and positive charges get separated out. The positive charges get shared with the earth and negative charges remain near the positively charged object and thus uncharged object gets negatively charged. Seventh, it is important to have a very good contact between the lower end of a lightning conductor and the earth. If so, why? Answer, yes, it is important to have a very good contact between the lower end of a lightning conductor and the earth because the lightning charges flow down through it, deep down into the earth and not through the structure. The structure is therefore safe from the damaging effects of lightning. Thank you for watching the video. If you love it, then like it, share with your friends, subscribe the channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications about further videos.